So this is the Jakel from Lost Cause, Billy Betts Meadery.
12% alcohol by volume. Radish Blossom Honey.
Radish Blossom Honey? Radish Blossom Honey.
Tart cherry with black pepper.
Tart cherry with black pepper. All right, we're going to open it now and see what goes on.
Black pepper on the nose, cherries on the nose.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my goodness, yes.
Which one is it? Dark red heel on that.
Gorgeous color. Really sticky meniscus. Really slow running legs. Thick fat. This is barrel aged. I get wood, but I get a lot of cherry note. I get a little sawdust thing going in the nose.
Yeah.
You got it too?
Is that from the cherries?
I don't know what's causing that. I mean, it's very interesting.
Ooh. That is tart. Good.
So this is radish honey, you said, and what? Tart cherries?
Radish honey, tart cherries, and black pepper.
Black pepper. I don't know where I'm getting the sawdust, that wood kind of thing going on. I'm not getting the black pepper in the nose. I'm getting the cherry. A little sweet. Very sweet.
I'm surprised you're not getting the black pepper in the nose. It's almost making me want to sneeze.
Are you really? Maybe that's the sawdusty thing I'm getting.
What's that?
I'm getting it in the mouth. For sure. I'm getting the black pepper in the mouth.
Ah. All right. Maybe that's it.
Maybe the black pepper is a sawdusty thing I'm getting in the nose, but I definitely get the black pepper in the flavor. It's a little sweet for me, but it's a little astringent and tannic for me. I'm getting a lot of tannins in this. The tannins give this perception of being dry, but it's a sweet. It's sweet. I think this could be a little bit bigger. I think this could be 13.5 as opposed to 12.
I wonder if they're getting some of the tannins from the black pepper as well.
I would think you would be. I think that's where most of it would come from.
I remember this one from the meat tasting down there.
Yeah, that's where we had it.
More black pepper.
It had more. So the bottle we had at the meat tasting had more black pepper in it.
Like it. Either there, or my palate was just.
We had that at the beginning, so it wasn't tweaked at that point. As I drink this and it warms up, that tart cherry comes out. It comes out in the finish a lot.
Oh yeah.
And the pepper, the black pepper, rides over the top of that. It's a nice long finish on it.
What's interesting is how the sweetness flows over the tartness.
Yeah. If it didn't have that sweetness, it'd be too much. This wouldn't be there. Well done, Billy. I think you're about a 39, 38, 39 on my scale. What about you, Roger?
I'd give it a 38.
38? Excellent job, Billy. I'd like to have seen this in a barrel. I like to see everything in a barrel.
Are you getting sulfites in it?
I am getting some sulfites in the finish, in the flavor, not in the nose. I'm getting sulfites in the mouth. Light, not like heavy wine kind of thing, but light.